So we are back outside tonight. Had to get a quick bev, fill the car up with some 91, some easy stuff. We are taking the M6 back out to the roll night tonight. This is a downpipe NHD car only, so none of that foo-foo shit. We ain't capping. I know most BMW guys are downpipe tuned. They claim that shit all day. Actually, a downpipe tuned car will pop the hood any day. We were popping out to the Slow Squad roll night tonight. I mean, we actually did make a post on Instagram. I'll drop our Instagrams below, just so you can follow us later on. But we are looking for a money run tonight. Hopefully we can get something fair. No cherry pickers just trying to fucking throw a 1,000 horsepower car at us or nothing. But I mean, the Beamer holds on for its own. If you've seen the last video, you know. Make sure this thing's running good. Do a quick little draggy hit while I watch the monitors. And we are just pulling up right now. There's a good amount of cars out already. The meet just started about 10 minutes ago, so we will see how it goes. Everyone grouping up for their driver's meeting. Go over a few quick rules so everything goes smoothly. Oh yeah, hot dog vendor at the meet. And you can't beat the damn street dog, man. I only had to get one too. You gotta cheat on his diet real quick. Pretty good turnout so far. There's a good amount of people here. We are taking off right now. We're starting to warm up the whips. We're gonna see what it do. The homie Menso baby did pull up. We can see what the little cute thing do. Hey, what you got up in there, homie? Oh, you ain't got nothing in there, huh? Oh, you guys know that car. We seen him last time.
I don't know why.
Nice.
It's 80 horsepower M6.
That's all we got, bro. Let me record this shit.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That nigga is crazy.
Mans is going crazy right now in that Z01. He has caught every single race that's happened tonight. Not even just everyone, he's raced every single race. After 3-4 runs, IAT levels are getting a little warm. It's only 65 degrees out right now. I know one of you guys were asking me that on the last video about the temperature and shit. Yeah, it does get warm with the stock intercooler, that's for sure. Oh, this Evo is about to rape this Type R, I guarantee you. Okay, sir, let's see what that tire do, baby. right in front of CHB too. Hey, get off.
You know?
Yeah, get off. You ready? We're gonna go. This guy untuned before. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You guys.
Damn, BR30 dead. Just like that, the homie's taking off in the M6. We cut the night a little bit short only because the route was so damn long and we were not trying to go all the way back to Long Beach. That shit is way too damn far. I mean Mexico, my bad.